Welcome to the Pro Sheet Task Priority Tracker tutorial. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the features and functionality of the Task Priority Tracker. Upon opening the Task Priority Tracker, you will see this interface. The Task Priority Tracker is designed to help you set priorities based on urgency, manage all important tasks effortlessly, and ensure the smooth execution of essential activities. This is the Home sheet, which contains navigation buttons to move between different sheets of the Task Priority Tracker. The available buttons are Home, Instructions, Task Priority Board, Dashboard, Task Tracker, Settings. Let us explore each of these sheets one by one. First, we go to the Instructions sheet. This sheet provides the basic instructions for using the Task Priority Tracker. It contains some general settings and Microsoft Excel settings. There is a Back to Top button to return to the top of the sheet for easy navigation. Next, let us move to the Task Priority Board. This sheet serves as a dynamic task prioritization tool, helping you organize and manage your workload effectively. The sheet contains 4 sections. Start Now. This section contains tasks that are urgent and should be started immediately with the highest priority. Plan. Tasks in this section are important, but not as urgent as those in the Start Now section. Assign Else. This section includes tasks that need to be assigned to someone but have not yet been allocated. Drop. Tasks in this section are listed in the task tracker and are planned for future assignment and execution. The Task Priority Board will automatically update as tasks are entered into the task tracker. Now, let us go to the Dashboard sheet. The dashboard provides a full insight into all tasks with a graphical view of progress. Here is what the dashboard includes: total tasks, completed tasks, delayed tasks, not started tasks, open tasks, in-process tasks, closed tasks. Data is also displayed by category, such as personal, work, education, health, finance, shopping, travel, and others. Additionally, there is a graph showing the distribution of tasks by priority: high, medium, and low. Lastly, tasks are organized by assignee for easy tracking. To return to the top of the sheet, click the Back to Top button. Now, let us move to the Settings sheet. This sheet contains predefined variables for use in the Task Priority Tracker. You will find category, variables like personal, work, education, health, finance, and more. Task priority, options such as high, medium, and low. Important, yes or no. Urgent, yes or no. Task status, various status options for tasks. Task lead, details of the task lead. Lead contact number, email address. You can change or add any variables here, and these changes will automatically update across all the sheets. Finally, we go to the Task Tracker sheet to input data. This is the Task Tracker interface, where you can activate or deactivate tasks. By clicking the checkmark, the task is marked as inactive, and clicking again will make the task active. Let us add data to the sheet to create a new task. Task. Enter the task name, for example, conduct research on emerging trends in online learning. Date created. Enter the date the task was created. Task created by. Input the creator's name, for example, Emily Smith. Category. Select the appropriate category, such as education. Important. Choose yes or no. Urgency. Choose yes or no. Priority. Select the priority level, such as high. Due date. Enter the due date. Days left. This field automatically calculates the number of days left based on the due date. Percentage of completion. Input the current completion percentage, for example, 40%. Task status. Choose the current status, such as in process. Assignee. Select the name of the person assigned to the task. Notes. Add any special notes in the Notes section if needed. Thank you for joining this tutorial on the Pro Sheet Task Priority Tracker.